All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go for a walk at Manito Park, but we're taking the van. So it's a Friday, just trying to get everything going. I've got some things to do on the van this weekend. I want to give like a rough, like a summary of what was going on this last weekend when we went to Billings, Montana. So pretty excited. I can't wait for you guys to see exactly what's going on. Get in the car. And it's gonna be good. Welcome to the van vlogs. Vlogs. Dina's joining me. We're gonna go to Manito Park and we're gonna enjoy a quick walk. But like I said, it's gonna be kind of a fun deal to just figure out what we're gonna do to the van. I've got a couple of things that I want to do right off the cuff, like even now just trying to get like the oops, sorry, listen to some Joe Rogan. But we're just trying to get everything going with the van build. It's gonna be slow. We're gonna do version 1, which is we're gonna try to just get everything going so that we can just start camping. It doesn't have to be perfect, but we do want it to be livable enough. Anyways, we're gonna go drive. Yeah, so I made a list of like things that we were gonna do to the van right off the cuff. I hadn't prioritized, like, set priorities on everything yet, but I think I'm doing that this weekend. I think one of the first things I want to do though is finally get that stencil going for that indoor outdoor carpet that we have, just so we can kind of lay it out and get things going with that particular part of the project. But and then I've got this other list. Things include like water supply, gray water. Are we gonna have a sink or not? What kind of walls are we gonna do? The layout, because I think the layout I had in my head has to be changed now, because we were planning on something different, right? We were planning on not having that extra seat in there, but now that we do have the seat in there, we kind of need to adjust everything. And so I was looking through and I found a couple of designs, and then I think I've got it modified. And again, this is like all temporary until we can get everything like straightened out, but it'll be like a rough draft, I guess. Version 1, it'll be version 1 of everything. And so we can get everything laid out. I can kind of sketch it out, probably sketch it out so you guys can kind of see what's going on with what's in my head. But we can get everything kind of done. I did talk to my buddy Mitch, because he's like such a big Elon Musk fan, Tesla fan, and so we were talking Starlink today for about an hour. Anyways, Starlink is in the future. All right. I'm gonna turn around. Yeah, the other thing too is like just trying to get out. I think one of Dina's friends for book club, Lucy, had already got us like set up for Liberty Lake, right?
Yeah.
So Liberty Lake, and that's in June. So that's the first camping thing, and I kind of want to get something kind of quasi done so that we can kind of use a van. Well, we are going to use a van, but to get everything going for Liberty Lake.
It is Father's Day weekend. It's Father's Day weekend.
For that?
Yeah.
Oh.
We're done on Sunday.
What is? Oh yeah. It'll be kind of a fun.
But
Yeah.
you're also racing Saturday. So. But that's good because we're gonna have book club stuff.
Yeah.
During the day when you're racing.
Yeah, but
and you can just take the
van and go.
The van and go.
Yeah, and come right back.
And then come back. Yeah.
That's what's cool about it. So versatile.
And I'll
I'm gonna move in front of your camera. How you doing?
Good, how are you guys?
Doing all right. The waterfall's not going. I could be making stuff up, I'm not sure. Yeah, this is we're in the Japanese garden, which is really cool. I think this was dedicated to a sister city, from a sister city, right? And so that's really nice to have from Japan. But it's really super mellow. I mean, this is like one of the spots we normally like coming throughout the year just to see things change and move. Typically, like in the pond area, there's koi fish going around, and we got this heron that we call Henry. Is it Henry? Kevin. We call him Kevin, and it's from Up. And so there's a heron that shows up, and we call him Kevin. And it's really fun to, every time he shows up, it's kind of fun to see.
Well, there's a citation thing right here. I wonder if they eat the bugs on top of the water. So beautiful. So pretty.
There's one of the koi. There's a big one. Yeah, I thought they were I don't know if they leave them in here for hibernation or what. Amazing. Beautiful.
Water's so clear. Gorgeous. Oh, he's going over to say bye to you, Arnie. So you're gonna feed him. For the winter.
Yeah, it's super crazy to see the koi out. Super fun. We love the koi fish here. And I was telling somebody that there was a couple here with their kids, and we were talking about it. Like it was kind of a funny thing because they were talking about they didn't see him, and then they saw him like within the last couple of days. And I thought for sure they took him out and then put him back in during the season, but apparently not. So it's really cool. Super cool to see them come out and kind of do stuff. Anyways.
Looks so tropical. So pretty. These don't smell. Not really.
How's it smell?
They're so sweet.
All right, we're on our way home. Like I said, later on, I'll probably just rattle off our list of things to work on our van. But yeah, so far so good. We love this thing. Let us know what you think about it.